All right, welcome back. We're going to be talking today about the F fund. Okay, so this fund in the TSP tracks one thing, and that's going to be the aggregate bond index. So the Bloomberg aggregate bond index. And what does that mean to you? Well, it means this: you're looking at the U.S. Treasury bonds. You're looking at mortgage-backed security bonds. You're looking at what else? What else? Investment grade bonds by the US government as well. So those are generally the three things that this aggregate bond index tracked. But this is also something you can invest in with your TSP. Once again, this is the F fund. So let's get started charting. So as you can see, it is on a downtrend. So the first thing we're going to do is pick out our levels. Why? Because it's going to be important. It's going to be important for you to figure out why these are going to be places you want to look at. There we go. Make that a little bit smaller. And as you can see, this has only started back in 2003. So it's been around, but not very long. This is a place you can look in case you see, or better yet, in case you start hearing words like the bond yield, things like that. The bonds are. Anything that has to do with bonds, this is meaning you, because you are now an investor. Congratulations. With that being said, let's not forget we had to put one here too. Right there. The reason we're doing that is because if you look here, the next place we're looking for it to go is $90.08. If it continues on this downtrend, well, let's see. If it continues on that downtrend, you may be looking for a reversal up. So let's make it very clear. It is currently here. And we would like it to go here and then come right back on up to hopefully $103. But there's nothing ever guaranteeing that these things that we're assuming are going to happen are going to happen. The main thing is that we need to look at what is happening. So let's take a look at what is currently happening. This is currently happening. We have a very strong downtrend. Essentially, we're at the top of this trend channel. If it comes down, it could meet the middle of this trend channel, and that would be around where we charted, $90. All right, so first and foremost, the next thing we think is going to happen is go there. This is on 10/22 of 2023. So if the bond market continues down, that means that stocks will also continue down. This is where you would like to have had your TSP in a G fund, and then when you start seeing these things turn around or go to the upside, you would then change it to an S or a C fund, maybe even an international fund, because you would like to see your TSP start to go up. Now, this is very general, very easy. Take your time. Remember, this is in a weekly time frame, and if you look in the back, I always try to keep the ticker right here. So this is the AGG. This is the iShares Aggregate Bond ETF. It tracks what we call the F fund. Now, you can take your time, learn how to chart. It gives you a good idea. All we did here was point out resistance. What was support became now resistance, and now we're looking for our next support. So that's all that we're talking about is support and resistance. Remember, do not invest or put your money into anything you do not understand. Take your time, learn what you need to know to make more money. All right, so this was another quick episode with me, Mr. 160, talking about the F fund from your TSP, aka the aggregate bond funds. Good luck, good charting, have a good time.